disregard my better judgment. I make excuses as often as I blink. I know by now I should probably be running. It's not as easy as everyone thinks. Oh, baby, don't go feeding me lines when you know I'm starving for your time. Baby, are we or aren't we still alive? Can you ease my mind? Tell me that you care. You're slipping through my fingers like you were never even there. Are we beyond repair? Holding on to you is like holding on to air. Holding on to air. Holding on to wrapped in your arms and I can feel your indecision. Hate that I need you like oxygen I breathe. You give an inch, it takes me back to the beginning. I swear it makes it impossible to leave. Oh,